Let's be honest. Everybody online is talking about ChatGPT, but most people are wasting it on boring and generic stuff like write me a poem about cats or help me draft an email. That sounds cute and all, but that won't exactly pay the bills, right? Here is the secret. ChatGPT prompts can make you money, real money, if you know how to use them the right way. Not the generic stuff you see recycled in Facebook groups or on Reddit, but prompts that actually create sellable products, services, and content. And today I'm going to break down seven ways that you can make money online with ChatGPT prompts. This is a theory, not someday, but now, today. I'm talking about strategies that you can start using right after you watch this video. So stick with me until the end because I am going to share something that makes this whole process much easier for you. It's the secret sauce that literally gives you the exact strategy and systems along with done for you prompts to build digital products that actually sell. If you're serious about making ChatGPT work for you, you'll want that in your toolkit. So make sure you keep watching. All right, let's dive in right now. Number one, selling digital products. This is the most obvious one, of course, but it's also the most powerful. You can use ChatGPT prompts to brainstorm, design, and package digital products like ebooks, planners, workbooks, social media templates, you name it. You can even use it to create ebook covers and other images. Here's the gossip. I'm spilling the tea. The people making real money on Etsy and Gumroad, they aren't artists. They are prompt masters. They know how to tell ChatGPT, generate 20 unique affirmations for seniors, or create a 7-day digital nomad packing list by adding specific details to get their ideal results. The product isn't the AI. It's your ability to prompt ChatGPT in ways that solve problems. People don't buy clip art. They buy solutions. And when you frame your products around that, you're suddenly selling downloads that actually makes a difference to the person who buys it. That was a mouthful. That's exactly that's exactly the outcome that you want, right? All right. Number two is creating AI assisted services. If you're not ready to sell products, offer services. With the right ChatGPT prompts, you can become the go-to person for social media caption packages, SEO blog drafts, email newsletter outlines. And here's where you win. While others are spending 6 hours on a blog post, you're prompting ChatGPT with something like this. Write me a 1,500 word SEO blog post optimized for this specific keyword and niche with subheadings, a strong call to action, and conversational tone. Then you can polish it, tweak it, deliver it, and cash the check. This works for agencies, freelancers, and even creators on Fiverr or elsewhere. The service is content creation, but your secret weapon is knowing how to write prompts in ChatGPT that cut your time in half and get the exact results you want. Number three, AI image prompts for Etsy and print on demand. Here's where things get spicy. ChatGPT plus AI image generators have become a goldmine, and you may be leaving yourself out of this. Yes, you can sell AI art as wall prints, stickers, merch designs, and even planners, but again, it's all in the prompt. Generate a landscape won't sell, but generate a minimalist black and white mountain sketch optimized for poster printing with high resolution output suddenly becomes an Etsy bestseller candidate. And the best part, you don't have to draw a single line yourself. You just learn the art of prompt engineering. And yes, people are making thousands of dollars right now with nothing but clever ChatGPT image prompts and print-on-demand shops. And guess what? It is not as hard as you think if you have the right tools and resources. Number four, affiliate marketing with ChatGPT content. This one's sneaky, but it's effective. You can use ChatGPT to create review articles, YouTube video scripts, or even TikTok captions about affiliate products that you're promoting. Prompt it with something like this. Write me a conversational product comparison between product A and product B for an affiliate blog. Then drop your affiliate link and you've got content that works for you 24/7. This isn't about tricking people. It's about speeding up content creation so that you can focus on promotion and strategy. Number 5, selling prompt packs. Now, here's the gossip nobody tells you. People are literally making money selling ChatGPT prompts. Why? Because most beginners don't want to learn prompt engineering. They want to copy and paste solutions. So you can package your best prompts. 50 ChatGPT prompts for content creators, 30 ChatGPT prompts for teachers, or 100 AI image prompts for Etsy sellers, and sell them as digital downloads. It sounds almost too simple, but guess what? People pay for convenience. And if your prompts work, word spreads fast. Number 6, online courses and tutorials. If you've mastered prompting ChatGPT, you can sell that knowledge. Yes, create a course, a workshop, or even YouTube tutorials monetized with ads. There's demand for this everywhere you turn. People are Googling how to prompt their ChatGPT and best ChatGPT prompts right now, every single day. If you become the person showing them how to actually do it with step-by-step walkthroughs, you're suddenly building authority, expertise, and income at the same time. And this one scales beautifully. You record once and it sells over and over again. Number 7, building a niche content business. Here's where we go long term. You can build an entire niche content brand using ChatGPT prompts. Think blogs, YouTube channels, or TikTok accounts focused on one profitable niche. It could be finance, travel, self-care, you name it. ChatGPT gives you the content skeletons. You add your voice, your branding, your name, and suddenly you have a business that grows, attracts sponsors, sells products, and promotes affiliates. This isn't just a side hustle. It's the foundation of a digital empire, if you're consistent. Now, before I give you the recap, let me pause because I know some of you are excited, but also thinking this is a lot to take in. And that's exactly why I created my secret sauce, to save you all that time I took to create this ebook, How to Use ChatGPT to Create Viral Digital Products That Sell. It's beginner friendly, 38 pages, and shows you exactly how to generate ideas, create products with smart prompts, package them for Etsy, Gumroad, or your own website. And it helps you to write descriptions that actually convert. And it's only $9 right now. You can download it right now. I'll drop the link so that you can grab it before the price goes up, because $9 is the launch price. Plus, I've also created, listen to this, more than 3,000 ChatGPT prompt in a bundle, and it's ready for you to use right after this video. These are prompts for images, videos, and other types of content. If you want to use some of the same prompts I use to create my video scripts, blog posts, ebook covers, mock-ups, emails, and other images, then you shouldn't wait until the launch price ends. You can grab it now from the link in the description for only $15.99. Okay, so now you know the 7 ways to make money online in 2025 with ChatGPT prompts. You can sell digital products, offer services, generate AI art, build affiliate blogs, package prompt packs, sell tutorials, courses, or even build a whole content business. The opportunities are here if you stop playing around with ChatGPT and start prompting it with purpose. And remember, people aren't paying for AI. They're paying for your ability to turn AI into solutions for them. That's the difference between dabbling into ChatGPT and actually making money online. And if you want to skip the trial and error, don't forget to grab my ebook, How to Use ChatGPT to Create Viral Digital Products That Sell, as well as my prompt bundle. It's like having me as your personal coach in PDF format. And your online income stream is not in the future. It starts with your next prompt, and the answer is right at your fingertips in the description box below. But you have to take action today. I hope you found value from this video, but wait until you see the next video titled How to Prompt ChatGPT AI Image Generator to Sell Digital Products Online. You don't want to miss that video. So make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell right now. And please like and share this video as well so others can see it and level up their channel, because we all want to succeed, right? I know, that's right. See you in the next video, and thanks for watching.